Cryptocurrency is destroying PC builds. How's it going, everyone? It's Trevor with SHOPAHS, and today we're going to be talking about how cryptocurrency mining is making graphics card prices shoot through the roof. If you're not familiar, essentially, crypto mining is when a user dedicates part of their PC as a medium for the exchange of cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, in return for a small commission. The PC is kind of like the middleman for the transaction. And the higher end the PC part they're using, the more money the miner makes. Graphics cards, or GPUs, are the most popular for mining, and that's the problem. You see, a handful of miners have completely disrupted the market by buying up tons of premium graphics cards and assembling them into huge rigs. While this might be super efficient and super profitable for them, everyone else suffers. If you're trying to get your hands on one of those cards for your own PC build, you're going to find them either out of stock or at a crazy price. It's been this way since Bitcoin's initial explosion in 2018. However, 2021 has brought some new hope in a weird form for those wishing to get GPUs. As many of you might know, the crypto market took a huge dive in May following some news regarding crypto's wide adoption. Bitcoin, Ethereum, even the meme-based ones like Dogecoin have just all sunk. If this trend holds, as unfortunate as it would be for the crypto holders, it could lead to a decrease in GPU prices and maybe even a decrease for PC parts altogether. And while crypto's future is never certain with news like this, we always have to watch these moments of decline so we can grow the PC community even further. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to head over to shopahs.com for the best gaming deals. Talk to you later.
Are you an influencer and interested in collaborating with SHOPAHS? Well, reach out to us at support@shopahs.com. We'd love to chat.